Hello everyone, I bring another video in the strategy for the markets OTC. In this case, I have already tested the strategies in financial markets. We're going to do the same thing and see if this works in smart again. I'm going to try with a smaller amount for this video. We start with $16, the expiration time will be 2 minutes again, and as I mentioned in the previous videos, in doing compound interest. Right, it's better to put a half in that compound interest level progress, so manage the risk. So we're gonna use $8 per entry. What indicator we're going to use? We're going to use classic candles for that. 1 minute expiration time, okay? And for the public board here, we're going to use a different point, right? 002 and 02. On that, turn thickness and this color is up to you. For the OSMA, for the other one, we're going to add this, all right? 12, 26, and 9 again. All right, so we're going to use maybe blue, the best color, all right? And that's, guys, same criteria. 2 or 3 points in that time downwards and then upward, both indicators are downward. I'm going to enter the downward, but anyway, I'm going to look for the first entry and then I have to take and explain it, okay? Here it looks like we have the first entry for Euro Rub. Let's see, entering on upwards. That's not so good, but let's try to do that. Upward, because what you can see, that's a red form here. Well, here it starts to form a range. The price rejects, and waiting for the downward delivery. But well, the trend is flat, and here's the nav confirm the trend with this big green candle and the rise on SMA, because indicators an upward movement to me, so that's the entry criterion. First entry take on this, all right. So I did not turn that I have plenty, but it's okay. That's good thing about this. Oh my gosh. We just got a loss on this, guys. The first one. Okay. Did you saw that's why I just used $8 for that? That is the reason. Okay. That's not going to put everything. That's too much frustrated because sometimes it doesn't work. It's the same can happen for you with you. But I have to have another one. Maybe consider the entry again, and when it goes up, the criteria change because of the candle. The candle has bullish signal. I know that is not a good decision, but I want to show that for you. Okay, and fool me with that. What's probably false fooling, but it's okay. Let's see that I have the entry. I think it's missed by the one click. In this case, we're looking at the zone as above. The parallel volume went up, but the candle is very strong, right? Look at that. So well, I already entered the upside and entered right here. I don't need to wait 3 or 4 to is enough, so I have already entered on that. I'm waiting now for the results only. Okay, let's wait for that.
Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
That's a good one. That's so close, but look at that. We got our first one. Okay. $14 is not enough to recover that, but let's try to do this again. All right. And I'm going to look for another entry right now, guys, to try to recover that money. And then I will explain it for you. All right. Okay. So we got again a very strong candle. It is already be the third one on that. And look at that. OSMA, we got the change on this, 3 points for that. For the pellet quality sign, that's good, right? Almost created 4 points. I would because of the type of candles. They are very large, and when large candles appear, that would be the confirmation. Well, I have my second gun one. Third position wired ticket for the session. The first one started for second, 1 and a 1. And you see how it sends a minute and a half to see the third position turns out? Okay. Just remember of this criterion, and that's we got another one. $27, guys. 52 in the total in my account. I'll look for the last position based on the criteria match on the above, and when I have it, I'll just take it to explain it, okay? Last trade ticket on that pair. We need to then find another one. Okay, so AUD WAST OTC, we got the 3 points again. The OSMA is the same thing. We have the 3 cards on that. That's pretty good. All right. So, I do know that sometimes this movement occurs when the trend starts to rise strongly as if it changes.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Well, those are observations in one marks in this type of market. Let's wait to see how the last trade turns out. Look at that, $52. We got this on that. Okay, that's pretty good. We just won that, guys. I will upload the count 16 to 52, and that is about the explanation. That's good. I split in half. For example, you have $50 or 100 in an account. You can apply compound with 100 by divided for in 10 parts. 150 or $10. Not a could be trade plan. Okay, when up, when not happen. As I mentioned, I increased the accounts 16 to 52 almost 3 times. That is pretty good. I triple it. All right. And well, guys, on that, just say goodbye. Invite you to like the video, share it, subscribe, and that way you can stay tuned off the videos. See you in the live stream sessions every day, and have great until the next one, guys. So actually right now, just leave our comments, guys, and have a good one. Okay, I want to see everyone again. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you.